This morning in the greenhouse to talk about how I solved one of the major challenges in greenhouse operation, which is temperature control when it gets too hot, particularly. And I'm simply using one of these. It's a thermostat that remotely controls an outlet. And so this is set so that that outlet will turn on at 91 degrees. That's about how hot I want the greenhouse to get. I got some onions that are germinating here, and I don't want it to get too much above that. And then it will kick off when it gets to 89. And then all that I have is a fan. Any fan would work, but this is the fan that I happen to have, and attached to the frame that I have built on the greenhouse, and then attached into the receiver for that outlet. And so that outlet kicks on power when it gets to be 91 degrees, kicks off when it's 89. Let me show you how I have it outside through the plastic. It really doesn't matter too much, but there it is. And I have it set to exhaust, and so it blows the air out and then it draws the cooler air back in, and it's up near the top of the greenhouse to pull the hottest air off. That's really the main feature. I also have a similar function with a hydronic heater for warming. If it gets below 40 degrees, it kicks on in the night. But there we go. Oh, and I do have a timer for my supplementary UV lights. That's why those are on. It's early in the morning. It runs from, 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. or so. Gives a little extra UV light and a little bit of freeze protection if it gets cold.